want to talk about a stock that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, Millionaire. Now, you've probably seen headlines claiming it's creating new millionaires in 2025. But let's break it down. Here are 10 key points about Millionaire you need to know before you even think about investing. Number 1. Millionaire is a mystery. There's no public information, no ticker, and no financial reports. That's a red flag for any serious investor. Number 2. Without data, you can't analyze performance. No stock price history, no news, nothing. Number 3. No market capitalization means you don't know how big or small the company is. Number 4. Revenue and earnings, also missing. You can't assess growth or stability. Number 5. Future projects or roadmaps. There's absolutely no detail. Number 6. No official financial health updates. That means no way to judge risk or reward. Number 7. No analyst coverage or expert opinions. You're on your own here. Number 8. No regulatory filings, which every real company needs to have. Number 9. No evidence of millionaires being made, just rumors and hype. And finally, number 10. If you can't verify a stock, don't invest. So, can Millionaire make you a millionaire in 2025? Honestly, without any facts, it's all speculation. If you want to build wealth, stick to stocks and companies you can actually research.